When you make your hole for your latch, close your door. Get the edge of your door right there. Get your ruler. Get your measurements from your door over to here. Measure this. This is 3/4 inches. Get your measurements. Get everything set like you want it. Get ready to drill your hole. Get that little bit came out of the kit. Chip it out. Get this piece, screw it in. Screws come with it, but the longer the screws, the better. Because the longer they are, they keep somebody from kicking the door in. Got measurements and time to drill out for the deadbolt. Get your screws. Again, I say longer the better. If you want, you can go back and chip these corners off if you want to. Make sure it's got enough clearance for it to close. Two. Try the doors out. Door lock. Unlock. Try this deadbolt. Think we're good to go. There you have it again, folks. Go back and put our trim and our brick mold around on the outside. That's it right there.